Welcome back. Time now for a look at some of the major stories from around the world.
Hillary Clinton's testimony about the late child sex offender Jeffrey Epstein has resumed after being abruptly paused due to a photo leak from inside the closed-door session with U.S. lawmakers. The former Secretary of State's opening statement accuses the Republican-led House Oversight Committee of partisan political theater and calls on them to request President Donald Trump to testify. Clinton says she has no information on Epstein's crimes and does not recall ever meeting or speaking to him. Former U.S. President Bill Clinton is set to testify on Friday, and as previously said, he took trips on Epstein's plane but denies any knowledge of or involvement in Epstein's crimes. And U.S. and Iranian officials have made significant progress in high-stakes nuclear talks in Geneva, but the chances of a deal that could avert a war remain unclear. Oman's foreign minister, who acted as mediator, said the two sides planned to resume negotiations soon after consultations in their capitals, and technical-level discussions would take place next week in Vienna. Iran's foreign minister, who led his country's delegation, said good progress had been made, and while there had been agreement on some issues, differences remained on others. He said the next round of negotiations would happen in less than a week. The prospect of further talks could reduce the possibility of President Donald Trump carrying out his threats to strike Iran. And those were the top stories from around the world. I'm Nikinsky Robinson.